My name's Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor with the IRS. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I got a bit of bronchitis today, so just see me through this if you would. Um, I've worked about 10,000 cases, and I'm a national expert in IRS matters, and I make my YouTube short and sweet to get a point across, really to help you. 99% of all the information that I give you is really teaching and information where you can go ahead and make informed decisions at any point in time. If you need me or you want to contact me for help or you need a representation, you can always contact me or leave a comment. Today, I want to talk to you about something that I consider like really serious. I've been doing this for so many years, I think 1973. And what bothers me is when this practice started, you had a lot of good tax professionals doing the work. Tax attorneys, CPAs, former IRS agents that had smaller practices who really gave you the work, the time, and got quality results. What's happened over the years is that the Internal Revenue Service has had these other companies. You've had these big campaigns, settle for pennies on a dollar. IRS will settle for this. IRS will settle for these, and these big box companies who spent a couple $100,000 a year on marketing get people to call them. And you know what happens? You get ripped off. I know you do. I get the calls. Let me tell you why. The person you're speaking to is not the person working your case. They don't have the facts, they don't have the knowledge. You're speaking to a salesperson many times that gets 50% of what they sell you over the phone the first time. Many times they drag your case out until they get the money they ask. They don't work them effectively, and they don't give the information to the person who's going to work your case all the information. They will tell you the things they need to within the bounds of what they have to get in your pocket. All they want to do is get in your pocket. If these people are not skilled professionals and can tell you how your case is going to end, why do you use them? You never speak to the attorney, the CPA, the enrolled agent, or a former IRS agent on the call. If you don't do that, you shouldn't go ahead and ever hire someone because you just got ripped off. What do you do when you get ripped off? Very simple. It takes a little time, but at the end of the day, you must go to the person whose name is on your power of attorney. That person has the federal license to talk to IRS. That is the person, the sole person you can get to jump off their ass and do the work, because you can file the complaint with the Department of Professional Regulation in that state. You can call the Attorney General and you can write the Internal Revenue Service under Circular 230 and let them know you're not getting the job done. First of all, you contact the company, you give them a demand. 2, you get all your records back. 3, you ask them for the 2848, which is the power of attorney. You contact that person. That person will have the license, and that person will either be an enrolled agent, a CPA, or a tax attorney. You make them jump, you will get your money back. You want to have documented facts as to what's happened. You make a formal demand and notice to have it back, and then you go ahead and let them know the steps you're going to take. You're going to contact the director of practice at IRS, the attorney general, and you can contact the Department of Professional Regulation. Don't take their crap. When you make the first notice and demand and they don't follow up, you at that time must go ahead and act. I'm going to guess 1/3 of all people that have hired tax resolution companies have been defrauded, and they've been milked along to get their fees. When you talk to a true professional about resolving their cases, cases usually take anywhere to 30 to 60 days to resolve. You got to give me a lot of grace on that because some cases do work longer. Like a debt case shouldn't take that long, an audit will. So anyway, if you have any questions, leave a comment. I'm happy to get back to you. If you need other representation, you're welcome to call me just don't get ripped off. Please be discerning when you talk to these people, but fire back and leave complaints on social media. Anyway, if the information I gave you was helpful, please give me a subscription. Just say subscribe. It's not that I need it, but YouTube values me if you subscribe. So you can leave a comment, complaint, call me, whatever. Anyway, best of luck. Please do what I say. We need to wipe these people out because they're going to rip other people off. Please don't forget the subscription. Thank you for listening to my YouTube channel.